large, it means it has the thickest diameter on the skin, and then it's easy to remove, okay, compared to this. So that's my little trick, what I use. So the second step is we're going to glue the form on top of the client's eyelid, okay? And this is to help us create the shape of the eyelashes afterward. And I'll show you guys that on the person so it makes sense. I'm going to use the micro brushes to go ahead and apply it. Okay, so this is what the micro brush looks like. That's the perm lotion. So you want to apply it on all of the eyelashes, all of the tips, everywhere, because this is what's going to lock in the curl, and this is what's just in case if anything did reach the tips, we want to neutralize it. We want to stop it from working. But while you're doing that, you want to make sure you're gentle with the cleaning process or taking everything off. And you advise your clients that for 24 hours after you're done with the process, you're done.